Okay, this is the paper that I've chosen. I bought this at, I'm pretty sure it was Joann's. I thought this was so pretty. And then I bought this to go along with it. And then I picked up these stickers from Michaels. I thought it all has that same kind of feel to it. And I'm going to be using this washi. Now, I don't remember where I picked this up. I've had this for quite a while. And then I'm just going to be using a blue Sharpie marker in Deep Sea Blue, okay? So let me go ahead and get my paper cut. And we'll get this spread going. I just love this paper. I think it is so sweet. I actually think I like this side of it better. So that's what I'm going to cut first. Okay, and then I'm just going to treat this like it's just supposed to be like one big sheet of paper. I just love the like old vintage feel that this is going to give us, okay? So, I wanted to show you all, look at my bracelet. It looks real, doesn't it? It's not. My husband bought this for me from Cracker Barrel and paid $14 for that. Is that not gorgeous? I love it. You can really get some beautiful jewelry at Cracker Barrel. Okay, let's start putting our paper down like we want it. I think this is going to be so cute. And I think I want this facing each other. And then I'm going to put one with the flag and then one here. And then I want to carry that same flag, so I'm going to put that over here and put this here. I like that, okay? All right, so let's start putting our paper down. Oh, I really do like that. That's giving me the exact look that I wanted. Oh, I really do like that. I think that just looks festive, okay? So let's go ahead and start putting our washi down. And I wanted to stick with this washi because it looks old, I think. Kind of vintage. And since this is so small, I'm going to double it. I really do like that. I think that really looks good. Okay. And let me see, I don't know if I want to go, I think I do want to go straight down through here like I do most of the time. Okay, I really do like that. Okay, let's open these stickers up. Like I said, I picked this up at Michael's. I could have made my own, but I decided I would just get these. They just look like cloth, and I love that. So I think I will take this one. I think that is so pretty. And I think I'll hang it down right here. That is just really cute. And then I think I will put this one. They're supposed to be strung together, but my string came off. I think I'll put this right over here. I think that's really cute. And I think I'll put this bunting on the 4th. And maybe over here. I think that would be cute. And then I may put the flag right here in the middle. And put Pride right here. And God bless right here on the 4th. And I might put a star there. And maybe a star right there. And maybe one right here. And then just put maybe like America right like that. And then I think I'll put a flag maybe right here. And then maybe some bunting right here and a little star. Maybe put that right there. And maybe I'll put this right there. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Now I'll just write a few things down. And we still have that contractor here working, so you're probably going to hear some noise. Okay, so let's put my pages back inside my planner and we'll take a look at this. But I think it turned out really sweet. We're probably just going to hang out by the pool and grill out for the 4th. It's just so hot down here. It's been like well over 100 with the heat index almost every day. So I hope you all have a safe and happy 4th of July. But I really like how this paper turned out. I like this older vintage looking stickers. I think it all works really well together. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.